Hi guys, it's Kirsten, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Usually I do like makeup or talent videos on this channel, but I wanted to make one just so everyone knows about me because I am a new YouTuber and I just want to get like some fun facts about me out there so you guys can be best friends with me and we can just talk, you know, we can be BFFs. We know about each other now. Okay, so if you guys want to know a little bit about me, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit about my childhood and then a little bit about now and then a little bit like fun facts about me, about like what's my favorite color and stuff like that. So my full name is Kirsten Marie Chartier. I was born in Massachusetts. I don't really want to say the town or anything. I don't know like if that's too much, you know. I was born in Massachusetts. I live in Massachusetts. I am 19 years old and my birthday is September 21st, 1998. So I am turning 20 this year. Big 2-0, right? And my height is 5'1". I am pretty short. I don't know, you guys could probably tell I'm like kind of small, but yeah, I'm 5'1", so everyone thinks I'm like this like shorty all the time. Everyone always thinks I'm so sure about everything. I feel so awkward in public because I just feel so short when like people are all around me, but hey, I gotta live with it apparently, right? I'm not that short, but I'm short, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so I have 2 cats. My first cat was Shadow and my second one is Shelby. Everyone knows I freaking love Shelby. Shelby's my favorite, I'm sorry. Okay, I love Shadow, but Shelby's my favorite. I'll insert some pictures. He is my pride and joy. That cat is my life. I think I don't even know his birthday, honestly, but it's in April somewhere. I think he's 12 or 13 and then Shadow's 1 year older, so she's either 13 or 14, but my baby's gonna live forever. I love my little chickies. I am an only child. I have no siblings. I have been pretty spoiled throughout the years, but I'm extremely grateful for them and how they help me out with everything. My ethnicity, I cannot say this. My ethnicity, I am Portuguese and French. My mom is Portuguese, my dad is French. I don't have much family. My grandfather, both of my grandfathers passed away when I was little and one before I was born, and my grandma on my dad's side had passed away when she was about 70. So I don't really have any grandparents, and my mom's mom we don't really talk to, so I don't have much family. I have a couple cousins that I see every once in a while. Right now I am not in college. I did go to a community college next to me, but I ended up not going back because I want to pursue being a cosmetologist and I did not need a degree from the college to be that. I went to a vocational school, high school, and I was in the cosmetology program. I ended up getting my cosmetology license, so I went for state board, everything like that, and I ended up getting my cosmetology operator's license, so I do have my license for that. I went to college because I wanted to be a business major. I wanted to own my own business, but right now I don't really know if that's where I want to do. I kind of want to teach and be like a cosmetology vocational teacher. I don't really know what I want to do right now, and I know I need a degree for that or a certificate, but for right now I'm just going with the flow with everything. I work at a local ice cream shop. I am a like waitress slash ice cream scooper. It's like weird, I don't really know what to like call myself, but I've been there for now 4 years and I actually really enjoy it. I like all the people that I work with and it's actually a pretty fun job. My best friend's name is Autumn, and as you guys can see, you guys saw her in a previous video. So I have a couple other close friends. I have Abby, Selena, Hannah, Michelle. I don't really hang out with them that much, but when we do hang out, we have a lot of fun. I met them in cosmetology shop, so they were like all my friends through all the 4 years. So the favorite things that I like to do is I really like obviously makeup and YouTube, doing YouTube videos. I really like going to the gym. I go to the gym now. I just started like 2 weeks ago, but I really enjoy actually going. I went to another one a little bit farther away from my town. I didn't really like it that much, but I did go, and then stopped going, and I go to this one in my town now, and I actually really enjoy it. I like biking in the summer. I really like swimming. I have a pool, an in-ground pool in my backyard, so I like doing that, and I really love dancing. I used to do dance and I used to do gymnastics when I was little. I did dance maybe 1.5 to 2 years ago, and I honestly really like dance, but it was very expensive with the costumes and all that, and I only did hip-hop because I'm not really like a contemptual girl, you know what I'm saying? I like to like get it down, you know? But so it was really expensive for the costumes for the recitals and stuff, but I did have a lot of fun doing that. My favorite food is pizza, pasta, and bread. Anything bread products. I can't have them every day, weirdly. I can have pizza like a good like 4 to 7 times in a week, but I can't have it like every day. Pasta, I'm obsessed with like anything Italian food. I love Italian food, period. I don't know how I'm not Italian, I swear to God. I like Portuguese food too, but I would rather have Italian food. I don't know, that's just how I am. My favorite movie is Bridesmaids and Meet the Millers. I love a good comedy. People that make me laugh are in my life. Like, those are my best friends. All my best friends can make me laugh. Like, I love to laugh. It makes me and everyone else feel so happy and just like a good energy, and I freaking love those movies just because every single time Bridesmaids make me be myself. I can't watch that movie without laughing. Even if I'm crying, in a bad mood, something, I have to be laughing at that movie.
Hey, buddy. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm so much more relaxed. Thank you, Helen. I just feel like I'm excited and I feel relaxed and I'm ready to party with the best of them. And I'm gonna go down to the river.
My favorite colors are mauve, tan / beige, and burgundy, and yellow now. Yellow's been my very favorite color recently. I don't know, I'm just like obsessed with it. I don't know. Would love to travel to California, LA. I've only been to Orlando, Florida for Disney. I've been to Disney, and I've been to Texas when I was really little because my cousins live down there. But I haven't been on vacation in so long, and I like want to go to Disney so bad, and I want to go to Cali so bad. Like, you guys have no idea. You guys are my friends, you know I talk about it like all the time, but yeah, like I'm really wanting to go there really bad, so hopefully soon. My favorite celebrity crush is Justin Bieber. He's been my baby for so long now. Since one time, since whenever, I don't even know, remember the year that he started, but ever since he started, I've been a believer. You trust me, girl. That's my babies. Been to every Justin Bieber concert that he's ever had, every tour that he's had. I think it was like 3 or 4 of them. I've been to every one of them. Trust me. What inspired me to be a YouTuber? So I really love teaching people. Like I said, I really enjoy just giving out to the community. I really just like teaching people everything with like makeup looks, or when it comes to lifestyle videos or anything like that, or like my routine, just so like to help other people. The people that really inspired me to start was Jaclyn Hill, Nikki Tutorials, Nicole Guerrero. I've been watching them forever, and they've always been my inspiration. A lot of people say I look like Jaclyn Hill. I don't really know if I do, but I mean, that's a compliment if I do, because she's freaking beautiful. But yeah, I really just love doing this. I mean, I just have like a blast every single time, and it just makes me so happy and positive whenever I turn on the camera. And although sometimes I'm a little shy, I ended up opening up to the camera, and I ended up getting new equipment, and hopefully if I keep going on with this, I can invest in my channel, and everything will be hopefully better for you guys watching. Doing makeup for about 5 years professionally, like in school. When I was little, I always got like the little doll heads, like the Bratz heads, you know what I'm talking about. I'll insert a picture. The Bratz heads for Christmas, I was always asking for those. I love Barbie dolls, everything. I was always such a girly girl, and I love doing the hair and cutting the hair and everything else for those like brat head things. So I've always like been very girly, and I've always liked makeup and hair and fashion, and I've always been such a girly girl. My favorite brands of makeup have to be Maybelline, NYX, especially because they're affordable. I am not a So I am a cheap girl, so if I can get a deal, I can get a deal. Trust me, Walmart and the dollar store is my favorite store, so that's gotta tell you something. I really like MAC and ABH and Urban Decay too. Those are my other favorites. I have like Too Faced, Kat Von D, Stila, NARS, all of them. They're all my favorites too, but those are a couple of them just closer together, more higher on the list, you know what I'm saying? So those are the few facts about me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know a couple more facts about me, I can do a Q&A. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. I will put the links right over here. And yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.